Welcome to my Music Maker Jam tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to use notes in Music Maker Jam. Currently, I do not have any way of recording this in real time, so we're gonna just have to deal with doing it with a voiceover. Now, what I've got here is a user dedication recording, and what it has is pretty much different notes every single bar. Now, the thing with that is that I can't actually show you exactly how things change, but I do have a separate clip displaying how the notes actually change the music itself while recording. So what I'll actually do is I'll cut to the front of this video that I've got run at the moment, and we'll start from there. So as you can see, we've cut to the beginning of this video here, and at the moment it's just running through the first part. And as you can see, it actually has different notes throughout the entire thing. So you've got your C's, you've got your F's, you've got your A sharps, you've got, I think there's a couple of C's in there, maybe a G and a D. And the second one here starts off as F, goes to D, then A sharp. So with this here, I'll pause it here, just to show you what I'm actually doing, and so that you can actually understand what's going on. Here's the audio from the actual app itself. Here we go. Now, as you saw there was actually a change from a C to an F in the second and third part. They're literally exactly the same all together. It's just I've changed the notes. Another thing as well, too, is that if you pay close attention, you would also notice that it's not actually in sync either. I have no idea why that is, but yeah, it happened. Now I'm going to attempt to show you how the notes actually change the end recording. This isn't necessarily easy considering the fact that all of it's out of sync for some unknown reason, but here we go anyway. So as you can see, we've currently got the music playing in the background. I've actually got it turned down, thankfully. But as you can see, it's all there. Like, it's all the same as the last one. But this time, what we're actually going to do is we're going to go back to the beginning, and we're going to change only one of the bars. So I'll pause it here, I think. But what's going to happen? As you can see, I'm changing it all there, and I'm going to have it on A. And you'll see what difference it makes, because it just repeats itself. All the loops repeat themselves. The only reason why it's different is because of the effect that the notes have. So if I'm actually currently changing it back right now, and you can see that it's exactly what it was originally. Now this is actually extremely helpful when you want to make something new and inspiring and stuff, but the main reason why it's so useful is the fact that it doesn't require a lot of skill. All you need to actually do is listen and think to yourself, does this match up? So what you don't want is you don't want something that goes like from a regular casual C to just a high pitch scream sort of thing, and you'll get the sharp cutting of the music. That's not what you want when you're actually doing this stuff. What you want is you want a nice smooth transition from each note, and I'll actually have it playing so you can see. I'll just replay the whole thing so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'll also show that I've actually got like that they are exactly the same. Like there's nothing different, and yeah, like it's fairly simple to be honest, but it's a quite complex thing to have. So yeah, as I said earlier, I would show off that they're exactly the same. So here it is. I'm just playing it at the moment, and it's definitely out of sync. That's obvious, but you can see that it's literally all the same. It'll go through separate loops and stuff, but they're all exactly the same in the sense that they all use the same method of changing the notes to have a different outcome of the actual recording itself. Now if you want to try this yourself, you can actually go into the app, download the free metal pack, and use the guitars from that, and start changing the notes from there. Now one of the main reasons why I suggest using the free metal pack is actually because it's got some pretty good guitars in there, and overall it's a great pack to use in general for people just starting out with the app, because it's the best pack to actually test out when it comes to notes, and it's free. That's one of the main things there. So I'm going to leave this video here so you guys can go have fun with that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!